Okay, let's go ahead and start your homework for tonight. 1-6 worksheet 1, number 2. So here we go. Step 1 is to isolate this. So how do I do that? I'm going to divide both sides by 4. So this is going to be x plus 1, absolute value is equal to 6. Then we're going to check to see if it's possible. Absolute value is always positive, and that's equal to a positive outcome. Yes. So now I'm going to do case 1. That's going to be x plus 1 is equal to 6. In case 2, put a negative, replace the bars with parentheses, and that's going to be equal to positive 6. Subtract the 1, x is equal to 5. Distribute, add 1, divide by negative 1, make sure you know that's a negative 1, to give you negative 7. Now, those are my 2 answers, but I have to check to make sure that they work. So how do I do that? I'm going to come down here and I'm going to check both the left and the right-hand side that they equal each other. So this is going to be 4, absolute value of 5 plus 1. So that is 5 plus 1 is 6. Absolute value of 6 is going to be 6. 4 times 6 is 24. So that one works. I'm going to do it again with negative 7. So this is going to be 4, absolute value of negative 7 plus 1. Negative 7 plus 1 is going to be negative 6. The absolute value of negative 6 is 6. And 24 is 6 times 4. So the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. So both answers work, and you would have 5 and negative 7. Now, if this would be Math Excel, you would put a comma between those answers. You'd have 5, comma, negative 7 in Math Excel and hit enter. Next, number 3. Absolute value of 3y plus 4 is equal to negative 3. So step 1, isolate your absolute value. I did that already, so it's already done. So step 2, we need to go ahead and check to see if it's possible. Absolute value is positive, and that's going to equal a negative number. When does a positive ever equal a negative? The answer is never. So therefore, since this is never true, there is no solution. The last one I'm going to do for you is going to be number 6. The absolute value of x plus 6 is equal to 2x minus 3. What you'll notice about this problem is you have a variable on both sides. Since you have a variable on both sides, probably only one of your answers will work, and you're going to have to check to figure out which one does. So since it's already isolated and you can't do anything else with it, you're going to immediately do case 1. X plus 6 is equal to 2x minus 3. And case 2, negative with parentheses around it. And then we're going to solve. Subtract the x. 6 is equal to x minus 3. Add the 3. 9 is equal to x. Over here, distribute to both terms. Add the x. Negative 6 is equal to 3x minus 3. Add the 3. Negative 3 is equal to 3x. Divide by 3. Negative 1 is equal to x. So those are my 2 possible answers. So now what I have to do is I need to go ahead and I need to check these. So let's check the first one. This is going to be 9 plus 6 is equal to 2 times 9 minus 3. 9 plus 6 is 15. 2 times 9 is 18 minus 3. Absolute value 15 is 15. 18 minus 3 is 15. So that is a true statement, so therefore 9 is an answer. Come over here to negative 1 and check that now. Negative 1 plus 6 is equal to 2 times negative 1 minus 3. This is going to be 5. Negative 2 minus 3. Absolute value of 5 is going to be 5. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. When does 5 equal negative 5? Never. So that means negative 1 is not the answer, and the only answer I have is going to be x equals 9. That is how you do tonight's homework. If you have any questions, please let me know.